Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect BMW 3 Series Bluetooth Music Full Guide. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and making it discoverable, then sit in the driver's seat. Power up the BMW iDrive system and open the Communication or Settings menu, where you will find pairing options. Choose Add New Device or Bluetooth Audio, select your phone from the list, confirm the PIN if prompted, and finish by testing audio playback. In this video, I will show how to connect BMW 3 Series Bluetooth Music Full Guide. For a smooth pairing, use the iDrive controller knob to navigate menus and press to confirm selections. If your phone does not appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on both devices and retry the search on iDrive. Deleting old paired devices can prevent conflicts, and restarting the car or phone often clears stubborn connection issues before you attempt pairing again. In this video, I will show how to connect BMW 3 Series Bluetooth Music Full Guide. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle on every drive because it seals tight, fits cup holders, and keeps water cold. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect BMW 3 Series Bluetooth Music Full Guide. After pairing, choose Bluetooth audio as the media source and raise your phone's media volume to hear music. If calls work but music does not, check that media audio is enabled in your phone's Bluetooth settings for the BMW connection. When problems persist, update your phone and car software, then remove and re-add the device to restore full audio functionality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.